It seems these days that every product is easy to use. And for a lot of them, that's not actually the case. But for Ready Seal Stain and Sealer, it actually is. But don't take my word for it. I'm going to show you. First, I need a fence. That was way harder than it looked. Okay, now that we have a fence, it's time for the Ready Seal. All right, the first thing that you're gonna wanna do is take your can of Ready Seal, shake it up a little bit. You don't have to go crazy, turn it over, shake it up a little bit. You just wanna make sure that none of the pigment is settled on the bottom. After you're done with that, it's time to meet the tools. So, got a little paint roller and a little paintbrush. I want to show you how easy it is to apply Ready Seal with both of these. As you can see, it's really easy to do. You just have to get the product on the fence. You can use a paintbrush, you can use a roller. The main thing is just get it on the wood. It's gonna level itself out. You don't have to worry about it being perfectly even because the product is going to soak into the wood and it's gonna look great. So as long as you have the product on the fence, you're pretty much set. But I'm gonna show you my favorite way of applying Ready Seal. Say hello to my pump-up sprayer. So this is it, guys. You put the Ready Seal in a pump-up sprayer, you pump it up, you spray it on the fence. It's pretty straightforward. I don't even know if this is the fastest way to apply Ready Seal because rolling it on is actually pretty fast, pretty easy. But the reason I like it so much is it's even easier. Okay, so this is really important because I just sprayed this thing. I was not very precise, as you can see, but you can also see that the Ready Seal is literally self-leveling. It is soaking in, it is filling in those gaps. Now, I just have to go back and sort of fill in the parts that I missed, and then I'm done. As you can see, it's incredibly easy to apply Ready Seal, and there's lots of different ways to do it. The big thing is just get it on the wood. And once it's on there, you don't have to worry about it.